really my choice. But now, I can go to my eyebrow threading lady, I can see...
He just sort of fell asleep and dozed off on a crocodile because he was so exhausted.
But he was going to be taking it to a primary school as well, which is so perplexing.
Nothing like an overly tired croc handler at a primary school does not at all sound like a recipe for disaster.
Hey! Fuck me!
Where's your fucking blinker? Oh, what a fuckwit. That Triton just turned left on that lane.
Dude! What the fuck? Go. Bruh.
Followed by games against Queensland, New South Wales and Tasmania. WACA Chief Executive Christina Matthews says that WA won't commence the Shield people to nationalise the game, particularly into Sydney.
What the fuck is that?
So it serves a couple of purposes. It opens a few doors and
Kind of overran that one a little bit there. What are you fucking doing? You stupid woman. Look at that fucking dickhead. Where are you going, you stupid prick? And then you... Good one! What the fuck? Dude, you just blew a red. All you had to do was like wait 5 seconds. You would have been fine. Idiot. It's a drink bottle. Stop it. There you go. There you go. They forgot their lights, but they realised. You've been driving like fucking close to me for, you dumb prick. What lane are you taking? Pick a fucking lane. It's no right turn, you fuckheads. You're going the wrong way, dickhead. And you're going the wrong way as well, dickhead. What about this guy? Another one? And you're going the wrong way, dickhead. I love this car park. That's stupid. That was just stupid as... Fuck me, that was almost an accident. Now he just fucks off. What are you doing? Now he's up the arse of this guy. So many fucking idiots on the road today. I've only been driving like 5 minutes, I've seen like 3 dickheads.
Well, no shit.
That's a solid line, you fuckwit. You can't cross that. Dumb bitch.
You don't need to come to a complete fucking stop. Classic. The fucking crossing's like a metre in front of you. But whatever. What the fuck? Use a blinker, you dickhead.
Oh, I smell something funny. Oh my God, it's the shitbag titty fuck of the week.
Holy shit!
Stop, you idiot. Oh, God.
Like you.
Privacy of your home. Want longer lasting sex? Search AOIaustralia.com.au.
Traditional lenders like traditional income, but in real life, people earn money in different ways. Only this talk to you.
Fuck!
Yeah.
Caution, vehicle drifting.
Just seen the biggest idiot. Just gone past Galston.
Keep us safe.
Companies have entered administration each month of the pandemic, a number likely to, of course, soar once current temporary insolvency changes.
Oh, really? Wow.
As the police minister, Lisa Neville, says she learned of the decision only after it had already been taken. As the first minister to give evidence to the inquiry into the state's hotel.
Fucking idiot! Don't even fucking look.
Red, buddy.
He's an asshole, sir.
You stupid fucking cunt.
Racism's evil. This man hates Muslims. That's a million fucking people. Truth be told, Donald is a terrorist. The world's got a problem with Americans. The fuck is going on? People a mass murder happened. So thanks for the congrats. Try and get
There's nobody I can relate to. Feel like a bird in a cage.